Now that the engine is on the track, I can tell that there are some problems with it. One is that it sparks, and two, it sounds like it is running incredibly rough. And for some reason, it sometimes doesn't go in forward. It is now time to take it apart and figure out what is wrong. Now that the shell has been taken off, it's time to figure out what is wrong. I've never seen this before. You have to get a wrench and take off two nuts to access the actual motor. Usually it's just a screw or two, but now I have to go find a wrench. Well, the closest thing I could get to for a wrench that would fit that size is a tiny little 1/4 millimeter socket, so that will have to do. Now I have access to the brushes and the actual motor itself, so it's probably about time that this gets cleaned. One semi-decent clean and reassembly later, and nothing works. I don't know where I went wrong, so time to take it apart again. So after looking at this a little bit more, it looks like this gear is completely seized, and it is the gear that is directly connected to the actual motor itself. And the motor is not moving either, so I don't know what's going on there. I'm gonna have to take it apart again. After disassembly number 2, I think I figured out what was wrong. It seems to roll much more freely now, and it doesn't seem to be stuck. So the issue that I found was that this gray piece right here was not lined up. So this gear was actually touching the inside of this frame, which caused it to jam. So now let's put it on the track and figure out if it works. Well, it seems to go in forward now and reverse pretty smoothly. And yeah, sounds a little bit better. Still have to do a little bit of cleaning slash lubrication, but I think it is just about fixed. Quick question for some Marx enthusiasts to please answer for me. Is this wire factory? It seems to be just soldered onto the actual, like, plate. So, yeah, I don't know what that's about. Please let me know. Once this is done, it seems to be running pretty nicely. So, I think it's time to put some cars behind it. Well, this is a pretty cool addition to the collection. Now, I do need your help, as in you, the viewer, to help me figure out when exactly this set might have been made, and how long it might have been running, and just some general info about it, because frankly, I know nothing about Marx. This is completely alien to me. So, yeah, please let me know what you find about this set, and I will see you in the next video.